Good morning, all of you. My topic name is activation of oxygen in biological system with the example of monooxygenase of the metal center and mechanism of oxygen activation by this enzyme. My name is Snail Villas Delvi class MSc Part 1 Organic Chemistry roll number 4 exam number 004432 and my topic name is activation of oxygen in biological system with the example of monooxygenase of the metal center and mechanism of oxygen activation by these enzymes. First one is a content, first one is the introduction, second is the mechanism activity of monooxygenase cytochrome P450. Then first one is an introduction. Dioxygen appears in the Earth atmosphere in a Paleoproterozoic era approximately 2 billion ago. Thanks to photosynthetic organism that utilize sunlight to split the water molecule into dioxygen via photosystem 2. Then second is accumulation of a dioxygen in the atmosphere brought about fundamental changes in life on Earth. Third is to harness the oxidative power of oxygen. Nature has evolved various enzymes, mainly iron, sulfur, and heme containing proteins to transport, store, and activate the oxygen for vital cellular functions such as respiration, biosynthesis, and detoxification, etc. The cytochrome P450 are members of superfamily of hemoproteins that activate the oxygen to catalyze the oxidation of unactivated hydrocarbon C-H. The general reactions for a P450 catalyzed reaction is expressed as R-H plus dioxygen plus NADPH plus H plus. It gives R-OH plus H2O plus NADP, where R-H is a substrate in both P450 and photosynthesis to water and oxygen is a essential components. Third, understanding the structure and function of P450 has been of a great interest to pharmacologists, toxicologists, chemists, and biophysicists in the past 4 decades. The next one is the mechanism activity of monooxygenase cytochrome P450. The heme units of a cytochrome P450 resemble the dioxygen binding site of hemoglobin and myoglobin. Here, the fifth coordination site is occupied by thiolate side chain of a cysteine in bracket in hemoglobin and myoglobin. This site is coordinated by an imidazole N from histidine. Second is in naming the enzymes, the letters P stand for protoporphyrin 9 unit presents and 450 arises from the characteristic absorption band at 450 nanometer of the coadduct. Then third one is that the enzymes is responsible for co-oxygenation of a wide variety of substrate R-H plus dioxygen. It gives R-OH means alcohol plus water. In a catalyzer, hydroxylation of alkanes and aromatic rings, epoxidation of alkenes in a human cytochrome P450 catalyze the hydroxylation of foreign substances, drugs, pesticides, and different types of toxic chemicals. Hydroxylation makes him hydrophilic, which helps in urinary excretions. This process prevents the accumulation of such toxic compound in a fat and lipid membranes. The cytochrome P450 play an important role to maintain the detoxification mechanism. In a cytochrome P450, there is a single polypeptide alpha helical chain. A heme group is a sandwich in between helix of the two axial ligands. One is a cysteine ligands and cysteine ligands for proteins, which may be water. The mechanism is as follows. Then first one is the resting enzyme 1 containing low spin ion 3. The substrate R-H resides close to the ion center but is not coordinated to the metal center. Then this attachment leads to the change in a spin state of ion 3 in bracket LSHS. Then the enzyme substrate ion 3 complex accept electron is then reduced to ion 2 state which bind oxygen. The oxy ligand is not very active to attack the attached substrate. Then the oxy complex is further reduced and protonated to give a ion 3 hydroperoxy complex 2 which is active oxidant. The hydroperoxy complex 2 undergoes heterolytic oxygen single bond cleavage to give an oxo complex of ion 5 or oxoporphyrin radical complex of ion 4. Then this is the reaction Fe3 plus POH. It gives Fe4 plus bracket P plus O, Fe5 P O plus OH minus. Then the initial step involves abstraction of H atom by the higher valent oxo complex 3 from the substrate R-H to form substrate radical R and in bracket HO Fe4 plus complex which are held together in a cage created by the enzyme. The final step involves the recombination of the OH fragment with R giving back enzyme is a resting combination. Then this is the reaction R-H plus 3. It gives R HO dash Fe4 plus dash enzyme dash R dash OH plus Fe3 plus dash enzyme. Then this is the reaction R-H Fe4 plus P double bond O HS. Then R-OH is a loss. Then Fe plus 3P LS. Then it gives R-H is again. Then R-H Fe plus 3P. Then it gives the electron Then R dash plus R dash H Fe plus 2p, then it gives a dioxygen electron NH plus is again, then R dash H Fe plus 3p dash OH HS, and it gives a H plus is again, and H2 is a evol, then R dash H Fe plus 4p is a double bond. Then this is the cycle is complete. This is the acknowledgement. This is the reference. Thank you.